Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare one yummy recipe. It's a one pot meal, you can say. It's a dum chicken biryani I am going to prepare. For those biryani lovers, it's for you. Myself and my daughter both will love biryani. So yes, today I am going to prepare that. So let me go ahead and start preparing this chicken dum biryani. First step, we have to marinate the chicken and try to keep it overnight. Then all the moist and the flavor goes inside the chicken. I marinated this chicken already and kept it overnight in the fridge. So now I'll start the next step. This earthen pot, please remember, whenever you would like to cook in the earthen pot, keep the heat in always medium to low. Don't cook in a high heat, so the chances are very high to break that earthen pot. Cover the chicken. I'll cook in low heat, but by the time chicken gets ready, parallelly I'm cooking the rice as well, so the rice gets ready. That by that time, chicken dum biryani, I used Sela basmati rice, not the normal basmati rice. What is the difference? This Sela basmati rice, I soaked it before 4 hours. It's half cooked now, but when you put in the biryani, it doesn't break. It doesn't become mushy. Now I have to seal this because there should not be any gap, so the steam doesn't go out, all the flavors gets intake inside. So that's the main, that dum biryani. So I'll seal this container now. Chicken dum biryani is ready, but I would like to give little bit smoky flavor, so I'll do that part now. My chicken dum biryani is ready. So it's ready to serve now. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get the new notification whenever I upload my new video. So that's all for today. See you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.